캐네디안 타이어에 온 강아지. 캐네디안 타이어. What is Daddy doing? Looking for Shrek. And we are just waiting. Fenway wants to eat chocolate. Chocolate is not for doggies. Batman. Daddy. Papillon. We are gonna get the vacuum cleaner today, but I brought 3 dogs, so I don't know how I'm gonna carry everything. And I also need to carry this kitchen towel. Towels. Hello. Guys, can you guys help me to carry the kitchen towels? No? Daddy looks always serious. I don't know why. He always looks serious. Why so serious? Okay, Daddy. Did you find the vacuum cleaner? Okay, these motherfuckers are inside the Canadian Tire. They're so excited to be here. Why? Doggies? What are you guys doing? Are you purchasing something tonight? Hello? Batman.